Jamrock home. Presents. No ambition. Jamaican Movie. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic Boss.
Okay, so Jeremiah getting ready to go and smoke with his friends. Huh? And gamble. This morning, everything I'm going to put a stop into. Okay? You think every day you're going to get up and you're going to go on the street with your friends? You have another guest coming. I'm throwing you out today. You're going back to Jamaica. I'm tired of you. When you come out, you will see what I have in store for you. Okay. You don't decide to change. Let me call his mother. Let she know that I'm shipping him back to Jamaica today. I'm tired of this. Every morning, he wake up, he go to the bathroom, then go visit his friends.
Hello?
Hi, is this Lorraine?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes it is. Well, this is Jeremiah's wife. And tell you what, he's coming back to Jamaica today. You better make sure you have somewhere to put him up because he's not staying in my house anymore.
Well, Miss Petra, or whatever you're called, let me tell you this, ma'am. After me spend all of my earnings, work so hard, send Jeremiah America, and find you, find you in a business with me, innocent dollar come give me.
What do you mean?
Listen to me, you get all of what I have. And listen, me don't think you ever tell anyone there, tell me, Jeremiah, how your mother? When you don't send $1 broke them up to your mother, no.
I don't need to tell him that. I don't need to tell him that. He should have known that he have a mother.
Listen to me. You were a good wife too, right? You don't think so. Listen to me. It come out to our mother happy. You don't said to him that no Jeremiah. No man. With all that we have, but no. He left come at the big apple. And all was well and he work and achieve what I want and he fight.
No, darling. No, darling.
All the night, yeah. But no things that want.
Right. I don't want him.
I'm so sorry, madam. Sorry, Miss Petra, Miss Daniel, or whatever you call. But not into my house. Not into my house, Jeremiah. I don't know how me drink, eat, lie down, sleep, not that mother. I remember say, I'm me, have him. I'm the work all of the years, all of the life, to make this boy better in a life, big America. Yes, you know, remember finally big apple, but no. We don't know. You want the back home, give me well, ma'am. Miss, sorry, miss. So, sorry, miss that. And that listen to Jeremiah, I'm coming into my home.
Oh my God, listen to me. All he do up here, this commotion, I just call your mom to tell him that because you're going back to Jamaica. That's the reason why. You're going back and I'm going to call immigration for them to revoke your green card. So in case you didn't know, now you know. Okay? Your mama is on the phone and she hear everything. And your mama say you don't give her nothing? That's you and your mama business.
Because you get everything.
I don't care about that. I don't care. You smoke it off anyhow. And you drink it out. And you gamble everything out. So why are you talking? Okay, my darling. I heard you very well. Okay?
You try telling. You try telling me hard enough.
Yeah.
Listen to me. To know that me bring it for earth and work and help him become America. And yes, the big apple fool him and you fool him too.
Mama, we call you later, mama.
You're not even ashamed.
Oh. We need sometimes need something to eat. And no, Jeremiah, you get everything. So listen to me. You try to keep on Jeremiah.
Oh, I'm on the phone for mama, man. Mama, we talk to you later, mama.
Oh my God. She's full. Okay. Okay, honey, I get what you're saying. crying. All right, have a good day.
You too, ma'am. You too.
You hear your mama? Do you hear your mama?
Listen to
You
me.
heard what your mama said?
What you call what all of this for?
Oh, you mean what all of this is for? This is what it is for.
Where I pack up my clothes them for?
You're lucky you get a bag. You're lucky you get this bag. I am shipping you to Jamaica.
For what, honey?
Just put on your shoes because I'm taking you to the airport as well.
Honey.
I'm tired of your behavior.
Honey,
You get up every morning, honey, what? You get up every morning, right? And when you get up, you go to the bathroom. And you put on your clothes. When you don't go to work, you go smoke with your friends. You go drink and you go gamble. You know what? I'm tired of it. I can't take it anymore. So you going out today.
Honey,
I booked your ticket.
Honey.
You're leaving.
There a chance now, honey.
Give who a chance?
Honey, me
How many
can't go back
times?
to Jamaica now, honey. When my friend them go say, me not cheat,
Oh my God.
honey.
Are you crazy up here? Do I care? Do I care what your friends think? You should have thought that before you start messing up. Okay?
Honey, and you get everything, all you have me up here, do up here rent and bills and
Oh my
everything,
God.
you know, honey.
Yes, but what about the money that you used to smoke daily,
And
drink,
smoke, honey, I just honey for joy, honey.
gamble? That's your joy. That's your joy. Why you didn't take it to give your mama?
And you can't.
Why you didn't take that money to give
Every
your
time you tell
mama?
mama say me I got give her something there in her background and ear, you find something that me can't send that money go to
Oh
my
my
mother.
God! You get your pay, the little bit that you get, you should have said it to your mama. Well, too
Now
bad.
you know you thought there's something here. After you done plan out everything, so you have to send me back home.
I am glad you know that I planned all of this. All along you were coming
For
home.
10 years you
and-
there, you plan.
Oh,
use
yes,
me.
honey.
So you
Oh,
get
yes.
everything now.
Yes, honey.
You
Yes.
buy house out of me now and everything, so
I
you
have
don't need me no
everything
more.
that I need. I don't need you. I need another man. I need another young man. I don't need any old man like you. You done. You're done. You don't even know how to take care of me. You don't know how to make me happy. No.
Please no,
Just
honey.
leave.
Please no, honey.
I'm
There's a
taking you to
chance.
the airport. No, I can't deal with you. I can't deal with you. You're good for nothing. I'm here most of the time when I leave work. I'm here all by myself.
But woman,
Is that
them
fair?
say Jamaica,
Oh my God, you get up every day talking about your friends. Who cares about your friends? Go home to your mama and make it right. You're not dead. Go home.
Go home, honey. You know how much people me promise things and me no give
Oh
them
my
nothing.
God, well,
and
too
now
bad.
them a go and see me.
Oh yeah, you should have
come
planned that I
come
give you
back a
this
yard
bag.
without nothing, honey.
You should have a band that the Africans give to their family. That's what you should have. I'm just tired of
And I have
you.
no compassion in the heart
Jeremiah,
to me.
no compassion, darling. If you didn't have a compassion for me, you wouldn't be get up every day gambling, smoking, and
Honey,
drinking.
but me there most of the time with you when me now work and thing on with me, me go out for a few minutes and come back.
I didn't like it. I didn't like when you go for a few minutes.
Honey,
Honey, what?
just please.
Take your hands off of me.
Please, no, honey.
Take
just
your
give me
hands
another
off of
chance
me.
now.
And if you touch me again, I'm going to call the cops. You touch me again, I'm going to call the cops. Okay? Just take your stuff and let me bring you to the airport. I just don't want to see you.
Honey, me I beg you, honey. Honey, me I beg you.
Beg
Please,
me,
no.
it cannot work.
Please, no.
Jeremiah, how many times you going to ask me the same
Honey,
thing?
please, me can't go home
How
like
many-
this, honey. Just one bag, honey, me
Listen, why you can't?
You hear how my mother go on for the phone
Yes, your
already,
mama
honey.
going on like that because your mama says you don't give her nothing. Aren't you
Give me another
ashamed?
chance to make things right now, honey.
Oh, make things right with me? You're a liar. That's all I can see. You're just a liar. Pick up your bag. Let me drop you to the airport before you fly. They leave and you're still here because you're not gonna stay in this country. I'm gonna call immigration on you, okay? For them to revoke your green card so you don't come back up here. You're crying. You think I feel sorry for you? Hurry, you're walking like you don't want to go. Hurry, why are you standing up?
Just please, no, honey.
Please what?
Beg
Please
you a
what?
chance now, honey.
Why? What?
Honey, just
What
give me
difference you
another
gonna
chance
make?
now, honey.
For what reason? You're not gonna make any sense. I gave you
Honey, me can't
chances
go back a
over
yard
and
like
over.
this, honey.
Oh my God, honey, baby, you got to go. How many chances do I give to you? How many chances?
Honey, just give me one more.
I don't want to hear it.
Honey, just please now, honey.
Listen, let go off my feet.
Honey, just beg you a chance, honey.
Didn't I tell you in the house that if you touch me, I'm going to call the cops? And you did it again? Huh? I don't don't need you in my house. You're going back to Jamaica.
Please,
Your mama is waiting on you. She can't wait to see you. Come on, get up. I said, let go. Let go. Come on, get your bag. I'm not bringing it anyhow. Get your bag.
I can't do nothing to convince you.
Convince me? No, honey. Because too many times I gave you chances and you don't make any sense. Okay? You don't make any sense. And moreover, I told you I need somebody different. You know? Oh, that's my Jeremiah. Kuya! Kuya! My God! Why would I do that? You're in a Jamaica today.
Just come down, you know. So I come visit Mama for a few weeks. You understand? And
A
go
few
back.
weeks you come back, so you not send a message down here say they come.
So we have to.
That's not me they come from.
People are little ugly can
I
give a
little hug
boyfriend.
for what? And you got foreign and you not him saying something come give me. Coupon on your toe. Me not give you no hug.
You look good still.
Me say go long. But you look good, look how you feel, man. I hope you can't do one of them things for me, you know. I want a phone. You better make sure you have a phone in the bag to give me.
So your mother?
Mama good. You know say mama good for me rented you down here. No, sir. You look good. Why? Why me? You say you're married up there too.
No, sir. Married? No, man. Me not married. No, sir.
I saw me here. Everybody in my business say you're married.
You're married and left me good woman. You know
I
easy.
say you're not come back down here. No, me not easy.
No married man. I lie them a tell.
I like them to tell you.
Eh.
But you really look good though. Anyway, me not tap cause mama send me off cause I'm hungry.
Alright. Me catch up with you. Me call you later, yeah? You go way back in about next week, you know, so me catch you, yeah?
So just look for your mother.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
My God, look how Jeremiah skin, man. Oh, Lord. Jabez called upon the Lord God of Israel, saying, Oh, that you would bless me and enlarge my border, and that your hand may be upon me.
Mama.
Jeremiah, so you didn't hear what I said over the phone? Jeremiah, go back to your wife. Jeremiah, you cannot stay here, you know. Where are you going? It's the wrong address. You cannot... Listen to me. Go back through the gate. I'm serious. I talk to you and I talk to your wife. Right?
Mama,
I
really
don't get
send you,
anything.
Mama?
Yes. I don't get anything at all from you. You never send me not even a sweetie. Eh? Even your very friends in the village. You leave them. You don't call them. You don't talk to them. Go back. I'm sorry you cannot stay here. Go back. So no, Mama, me, I'm coming with the load. I don't want it in my house. I'm very sorry. I don't know you and don't tell anybody that I am your mama. You mama me. Who you calling mama? Huh?
I'm sorry, Mama.
Oh my God, every day you're sorry. Sorry for what? You over there, you don't even pick up the phone to find out how I was doing. You know how many times I go to the hospital? Do you know how many times I go to the hospital? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You're not ashamed of yourself, Jeremiah.
I'm sorry.
Sorry cannot help you now. I don't have anywhere to put you because if you notice the one bed I have in there. So what I'm going to do, the both of us going to sleep on the same bed? Not even a bed you don't buy. Not even a mattress. You cannot stay here. So go back through the gate with your stuff then.
Mama, you really have put me out, Mama?
If I'm really putting, yes, I'm putting you out. You understand what I'm saying? And you're behaving as if you don't do anything wrong.
Never say me not do nothing wrong, Mama.
No, I can't help you. You know that you break my day. I was worshiping the Lord and feel so well and you come here about Mama and just turn me off. Come back through the gate, man. I can't help you.
I have nowhere else to go.
I don't care. Go on the street. Go on the street like you're a madman. But you cannot stay here. What you want the village people to laugh after me?
Christian, you know, Mama.
That have nothing to do with me. So So that's for sure you that
Your
I'm doing the
only
right
child
thing.
you have to put on.
My only child. And you're not even ashamed of yourself to say that you're my only child. My only child that have never given me a lollipop for you. Huh? I told you and I tell your wife that you cannot stay here. So too bad she evict you and send you back to Jamaica. I have nothing to do with you. Excuse me. And don't even think of passing me to go in my house. No ambition. Not even a mattress you don't have for yourself. But you come here about mama. Mama, I want mama put you up. Not this mama. Wrong address. You get me so upset that I don't feel like I bother want to read anything. Let me go inside. You better not come through that gate again. You hear me?
A ethic, Sister Petra.
Oh,
Hard work and dedication, you know. Pay off in the long run. Get to youths, just hold your head up high.
man, I plan for the future. Tired of the one pants, one shoes, yeah. Me no want see no more get a youth on shooter. Me want elevate myself from walk foot to scooter. Man, I plan for the future. Tired of the one pants, one shoes, yeah. Me no want see no more get a youth on shooter. Me want elevate myself from walk foot to scooter.
Every day can't be the same thing, man. Want feel easy and live like a king. I be a sorrow and pain, me see poor life bring. First page I drive and them no like him. Can't please people because them criticizing me. No listen when them talk, that's why we rising, man. Fresh like the water we pump from the spring. Me no free, me salute because me want win.
Man, I plan for the future. Tired of the one pants, one shoes, yeah. Me no want see no more get a youth on shooter. Me want elevate myself from walk foot to scooter. Man, I plan for the future. Tired of the one pants, one shoes, yeah. Me no want see no more get a youth on shooter. Me want elevate myself from walk foot to scooter.
Benz Jeep, pull up on me girlfriend feet. Man, for your tour city 7 days of the week. From me a little youth a grow me unique. Mama suffer too much now. Nah breed taxi, we pre-bus now.